Okay, now what if, right, the question here, I replace the word of perpetuity with a number of years. Let's say I change to 5 years. That means it is expected that the increase in cash flow after tax of 800,000 ringgit expected to be earned for 5 years. So this is how are we going to calculate the synergy, okay? An increase in the cash flow to be expected to be earned for 5 years. Okay, alright, so how are we going to calculate? Alright, let me change first this one. Okay, alright, so if you get this kind of situation, so that means we are expecting that this 800,000, alright, to be earned 5 years, okay, per year lah, in other words, so that means we are going to earn year 1 800,000, year 2, year 3, year 4 and year 5, right, same amount. Okay, this one. Okay, if you have this expectation of the increase in cash flow, then how are we going to calculate? So this is the increase in cash flow after tax. So if you want to calculate the synergy, then we have to refer to the present value table. Okay, so the present value table, I think you are familiar with this table. Okay, the present value table. So we know that the discount factor is at 10%. So you need to find out what is the 10% value, okay, in the present value table. So if you look at this table, okay, right, every year present value 10%, okay, this one, okay, 10% here. So you actually take the figure of 0.9091. Okay, let's put here, okay, 0.9091, and then the next one followed by year 2 8264, okay, 0.8264, and then next year 3 7513, okay, 0.7513, year 4 6830, 6830, and the last one for year 5 going to be 6209, okay, 0.6209. So you multiply these two values, right, and then you get the present value. Okay, so what is the present value of the synergy in total? Okay, then you will multiply by this amount, then you get this and this and this and this amount, and then you total up the value, then you get the present value of the synergy. Okay, this is how you calculate the synergy. Or you want to make use of the shortcut. Okay, the shortcut is okay, let me show you. So the shortcut to calculate the synergy, okay, equals to the present value of the synergy, equals to the 800,000 ringgit, the increase in the cash flow after tax. Then you multiply with the annuity table. Okay, annuity table 5 years, and then 10% discount factor. So you can read from the annuity table. Alright, let's go to the annuity table. Here you can see what is the value. Let me show it to you. Where is the annuity? Hold on. I think this one. You can see this one, annuity table, 10%. Okay, 5 years. So this is the reading 3.7908. Alright, 7908. Okay. 3.7908. And then you straight away multiply the two values, then you get. Alright, so this value must be equal to the value that you obtain here from this calculation. So that is how you calculate the synergy using the discounted cash flow formula. Alright, if the number of years for the future increase or changes in the cash flow known. Okay, for example here for 5 years. Alright, if it's given as perpetuity, then it will be simpler. Okay, you just straight away divide the expected changes in the cash flow, you divide by the discount factor. Alright, so I guess that's all for the calculations of the synergy using the discounted cash flow model.